I'm Charlie from Seasport, and today I'm doing another slime video. I've already done a galaxy slime, a crunchy slime, and a confetti slime. So, these are the slimes, these are the glues I have left. I have a blue glow in the dark, a pink glow in the dark, and a pink metallic. And I also have two more liquids. So this one's already been used, as we can see, for this one. And then we have this one that hasn't been used yet. But I'm still going to use this one because you can still use it. And I have my container, my bowl, and of course, my reindeer spatula. Okay, so I think I'm going to shut my eyes. I'm gonna do this one. Whoops, I knocked the container. I'm gonna do this one as I just mixed it up. And this I'm gonna put to the side. My container I'm gonna put to the side. And these glues I'm gonna put to the side because I'm only using these and these. Okay, I always use a spatula. It's a lucky spatula. Otherwise I use the gingerbread one, but I can't find a gingerbread one. Okay, let's just get on with the video. Okay, first of all, I need to pour in the glue. I'm opening up the glue. Opened up. And this is what it looks like. Look at it. Then to pour it into the bowl. Look at this beauty. I'm getting it from a better angle so now you guys can see what's going on. Look at that. Squeeze it fully out. Okay guys, I'm going again with my writing hand because look how fun that looks. By the way guys, we can't do comments because apparently I'm not old enough to allow the comments and stuff. I've been trying to turn them on because I didn't know they were off, and YouTube isn't allowing me to do it because of my age. I might be doing some more LOL dolls because you guys seem to like the LOL dolls the most. By the way guys, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And smash that like button. I'm used to saying comments. Turn on the comments, but I'm not allowed to do the comments. Okay, this is taking forever to look at that guys. Looks so yummy. I'm trying to squeeze the rest of this out with two hands. Come. Oh, did you see that? Oh my god, it went all over my hand. It's alright, I just can't touch anything. Come on! Okay, that's the last little bit left. Time to screw the lid back on. Okay guys, I'm going to show you what it looks like. It looks like with all the glue in. I have to pour in a little bit of this guys, only a little bit, because in the crunchy slime video I poured in like half the bottle. It wasn't a whole bottle I poured in. It was a whole bottle I poured in, and it didn't really go great because I tried to get all the foam beads out, and after I realized that that was a bad idea. You guys should go check that out and see what I done. And then with my Galaxy one, I kind of got it all over my leg. Okay, time to pour this. Now I'm pouring this. Okay, little bits at a time, and then you want to mix so you can get a good idea on how much you need to add, because if you add too much, it turns to be like putty. Mixy mix mix. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm mixing it, and you'll know that you've added the right amount. See how it's starting to get together? And if it's not like that, only add a little bit more until it is. But I'm gonna add a little bit more. As you guys can see, it's not really stretchy, but it's still getting together. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Like a couple of drops, that's all you need if you don't add the whole bottle. I can tell you that from experience. Okay. Looks like ice cream, guys. See, look, it looks like ice cream. Like strawberry yogurt. Unicorn yogurt. Okay. See how it's like non-stretchy and just all gooey? That's how you know that you need a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just gonna do 7 drops because that's gonna be enough. Just mixing. You're gonna make sure you get all of that stuff. See how it's getting stretchy? That's how to the finishing point of adding activator. Okay, I don't think you guys just want to see me mix. Ooh. I'm just gonna mix super quick. By the way, guys, see how it's still not trustworthy to put your hands in? You just want to keep on mixing for a little bit. And then add a little bit more. 1. Oh, that was not drops, guys. That was like, I think that should be enough, actually. They get all of it. Comment, I was about to say comment down below which color is your favorite, but we can't comment. Gotta just get that stuck in my mind. But remember, guys, subscribe, share so your friends and family can see what I post. And yes, if you're new, you guys should check out all my videos. Psych, I'm not gonna do that. You guys can just get some kits from Woolies and stuff, and you can get this glue and magical liquid from Kmart. By the way, this is all in Australia. You can get it from Kmart, Coles, Woolies. They're the only places I know. Because I don't live on the other side of the world, so I can't tell you what is. It's so glittery. I can't wait to see this glow in the dark. Because it's been sitting in my room, and every single night when I have to go to bed, I can see it glow. But I don't know what it'll be like with slime. Oh, and guys, sometimes it'll say great for slime. See how it says new, great for slime? Like that, it's like great for slime. But making slime like this is super easy because you just need some glue, any type of glue. Like Elmer's glue, I don't know, any glue. But I prefer Elmer's glue. You can get, I like the colorful one, and you just need some of this. Cheap, instead of buying borax and stuff that you need to make the activator. You only need to put 2 things in it, and then you'll make slime. This is what it looks like. Look how yummy it looks. gonna add a bit more. Guys, that looks so good. By the way, my birthday is April 2nd, so I'm doing something for my birthday, and then there's going to be Easter 2 days after, but I am going to do a birthday haul. Right now it's March the 7th, I think? Yeah, it's the 7th. It's the 7th of March when I'm making this, but it might be the 8th when you see it. And yes, so I'm gonna do a birthday haul April the 2nd. So if you want to see that, just turn on post notification bell so you can see when I post it. I'm gonna show you everything I get for my birthday, and plus I have a surprise for my birthday that I have to keep on guessing and guessing to try find out what it is. It's an hour away, but it's in Queensland, but not in Brisbane. And you need swimmers. So yes. Strange, I know. I don't know what it is. And it's somewhere that I haven't been, or Dylan. So yes. Look, it's icing. Okay, this is gonna take forever to mix. I'm baking a cake. Cue the music. Montage. Alright, montage is over. Need to add some more of this. It's super glittery, the glue. It's a nice pink. And it's super easy. Like, I've made 3 of these already, and yeah, they're really fun. I shouldn't have touched that. Whoopsie doopsies. Okay, mix. I'm not sure if you guys can see on camera, but I'm gonna try to see if you guys can see how glittery that is. I don't think you guys can on camera, but if you can see how glittery it is, right? And you guys know I'm obsessed with glitter. By the way, guys, I made a YouTube channel, and not a YouTube channel, a YouTube video. And I was playing on the computer with my brother. We were like playing, oh wait, I can't tell you, you guys gotta go watch that video and find out. And I did, when I was doing my makeup, you guys should watch that. It turned out pretty good. But I can't tell you how it turned out or what colors I used. You're gonna watch the YouTube video. Okay. I think I might just do my hands. And guys, you need to knead it because that makes it better. I don't need the spatula. Okay. I'm gonna try to get it all off the spatula. The spatula, now I'm using my hands. That looks so yummy. Okay, I'm getting it all off these sides. I can't really show you guys because I can't hold it while I'm trying to do this. Because I need one hand on the bowl and one hand playing with the slime. See guys, that's just enough. You just need to keep on playing with it so it gets non-sticky. And if it can't get non-sticky, we'll just add a little bit, like this much slime. Like, you don't need the whole thing, just like a little bit, maybe just like not even half. This sounds so fun. Trying to get it By the way, guys, follow me on TikTok, Charlie_Caldwell10. I think that's what it is. I don't know, something like that. Okay, I'm gonna come back after I'm done playing with it. I'm done getting it out of the bowl. I'm gonna show you the bowl. This is the bowl. There's none in there. And this is all of it in my hand. It smells like, doesn't smell like normal slime. It smells good. I know I'm weird, but I was seeing if it smelled like fairy floss because it's pink and fairy floss is pink. I know people over in America call it cotton candy, but here in Australia we don't say candy, we say fairy floss. Okay guys, I'm gonna come up with some more video ideas that are gonna be fun and maybe will involve my brother or not, like trying foods, hopefully not pickles or Brussels sprouts. But this slime is pink, glittery, super stretchy, super sticky, but like I said, you just need to keep on kneading it to get rid of the stretchiness. And guys, we're gonna have to do the glow in the dark test. Okay, I'm just gonna try and make this non-stretchy. Guys, I have 12 subscribers. And I want more subscribers. By the way, more likes, more subscribers, more views. And yes. And I might be doing some more LOL dolls, seeing how that's what you guys like. So yes. This is so fun. I'm gonna put it on the table so you guys can see it, if I can get it all off my hands. My birthday is next month. Less than a month, actually. Less than 49 days. I think it's like 29? Guys, you guys have doing. It's so fun. And I can get it all off super easy, like blue tack. This is really fun. Remember I said to get them from, if you guys live in Australia, just look in the stationery section and the glue and magical liquid should be there, and you might find some kits like the crunchy kit and the confetti kit. I did. This is really fun. Overall rating, I give it a 9 out of 10 because it's super stretchy. But I'm gonna make that non-stretchy, yes. And if I can make it non-stretchy, I'm gonna give it a 10. Actually, I'm gonna keep it as a 9 because we need to see the glow in the dark test. Let me get this all off my hand. And then we can do the glow in the dark test. Well, just this hand, so we can do the glow in the dark test. Okay. Okay, ready to see the glow in the dark one? Lights. Okay, guys, the lights are off, but because it's still daytime, as you guys can see, it's not going to work. I was really bummed, but I guess I'm gonna try figure out a way so we can do this. I got a black jacket and it's gonna cover it, and we're gonna see. see if this works. I don't think it is going to, but guys, it's not gonna work. Okay, now that just bummed me out, but I think it will glow good, and I'm gonna post it, gonna do an update on TikTok, Charlie_10. So make sure you guys go check out that. Might be testing some TikTok trends on YouTube, or some food testings. So yes. By the way, I give this actually maybe a 10 because of all the glitter, and because it's like not really that stretchy, not really that sticky anymore. See, look, I can just get it straight off. Straight off. Straight off. So yes, and that is it for this channel. Goodbye, says the slime.